Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save music from YouTube to your files in laptop. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to save music from YouTube to your files in laptop. When you are in laptop, just click in your profile icon. After that, click YouTube Studio. And then here in the left sidebar, just scroll down and then select audio library. And you can see here you have many different kind of music. This is only first page. Yeah, this is only the first page. And it's about 881. And even here you can filter the music, or you can just search the music here and you can filter them. For example, the style of the music or the duration. Okay, for example, here I select mood. Okay, for example, bright, and then apply. Okay, now you get the music bright, and here if you click here you can play the audio. And okay, for example, this one, they pop, here you can play it, and if you like it, just click download. And you can see here now it's downloaded to my laptop. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to save music from YouTube to your files in laptop. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.